Okay, year 8. Hello, welcome to this video. In this video I'm just going to explain what it is you're going to be doing during your next project. Your next project is going to be a really exciting one. You are going to design a catapult. Now you're going to work in pairs. You should have logged in to Firefly, which means that you're watching this video. So I'm just going to run through a few things that you need to do to begin to start off the project. So first of all, what I want you to do is as you run through the project, you're going to record any research, any sketches and drawings, any ideas you have, any development, and ultimately your testing of your catapult in Firefly. To help you with that, down the left hand side here, I've set up some pages for you. 8DT1, 8DT2, 8DT3 and 8DT4. If you're in 8DT4, let's click on 8DT4 just here, and you can see I have set up pages for your pairs. Now I've just set up these pairs in relation to where you sit in the room. Axel and Olivia are together, Alyssa and Alyssa, Federico and Abdulmalik, Giorgio and Julia, and so on and so forth. If you go onto those individual pages, you will see that they are blank. These pages are going to be used by you to upload any videos you find, any images you find, any work that you do in class, sketches, drawings, and so on and so forth. To edit the page, all you have to do is click on Edit Page in the bottom right hand corner, and then that will allow you to add images, files, etc. So first of all, what I'm going to show you how to do is I'm going to show you how to add a YouTube video. In the first task, you're going to look at some videos. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Google, do a Google search on Catapult, and you can see that under videos here, or you could go to YouTube, but under videos you see YouTube videos of some Catapult designs. So let's click on Make a Mini Candy Launch in Catapult. Takes me into YouTube, into a video. And I'm going to watch the video obviously all the way through to make sure it's, to see if it's useful. Just going to turn that down. So look through the video and I find that it's going to make a catapult out of pegs, but I could replace that with wood, and ultimately the guy in the video is making a catapult that, yeah, I'm interested in this design, I'm interested in the way this works. Okay, so I'm going to pause it, and then what I'm going to do is all I'm going to do is click on the URL, right click and copy it, go onto my page or your page, the pairs page, and I'm going to right click on here and click paste. And you can see that the video goes straight into the page. Okay, it might take a little while, but it does. And there we go. Now I'm going to go back into YouTube. I'm going to look at another video. And again, I'm going to obviously do this quite quickly. Okay, so yeah, I've looked through this video. I'm interested in this video. Pause it. Again, copy onto your page. So click between the tabs, right click and paste it in. Okay, so there I get the new video. Now as you put the videos in, what you can do is also move the videos. Okay, so you can click on it and drag it, and when you see the black bar, you can put one video next to another, and that saves you obviously space on the page and having to keep adding videos and going down and down and down and down. What I'd like you to do is then make comments, obviously just by typing on the screen, about the videos. So you could say in video 1, I like the fact that they've used a spoon, I like this about this catapult, and so on and so forth. And you might make a note of the time in the video as to where that information, any important information is. To add an image, all you have to do is either go to Google again, and I'm going to look at images, this time of catapults. I like this one because it tells me a bit about the force spring frame, and just it illustrates the fulcrum as well. Sorry, I'm not going to go back to. I'm going to go back to the image. Right click on it, copy the image, and you should be able to paste that image straight onto your page. Now, if that happens, you just get the address there. What you're actually going to have to do is you're going to have to save the image, save image as, save it to the laptop you're on. Okay, so I'm going to save image as. I'm just going to save it onto my desktop. There, I'm going to call it Catapult 1. Okay, I'm going to save that, save to my desktop, and then I'm going to go to my Firefly page. Here you've got the editing bar at the top. Click on image, select files for computer, and the same ways that you upload for homework. I'm going to look at my desktop. I'm going to type in C for Catapult. Ooh. There it is, Catapult 1, and then I'm going to open that, and it uploads, and then I can select it and then add the image to my page. So it's a little bit more difficult for images, but it can be done relatively easy. And that's about it. Okay, so when you've got your page set up and you've got everything on there you want it, you must remember to click on Done to finalize the page. So let's just look at the Catapult competition. Catapult competition page. You can see here's the design brief. Make sure you read that. Some example videos there to watch. Specification, the list of things that we do, and then there's 3 tasks that you need to complete in class today if you can. Okay, so I hope the video was helpful to you. Make sure you watch this video first, and then obviously work through the tasks that are on this page. Okay, good luck designing.